Hey guys, today I'll be showing you 4 different ways to grip your roots for braids. This is excellent for beginners who have a hard time starting their braids. Always start off with freshly washed detangled hair if you're doing this on your own head. Pick your favorite gel or pomade to keep your hair in place. We'll start off with the hardest version. Grab your extensions, place on top of the hair. After that, you grab the hair and wrap it around the extensions and braid like normal. This is how the first method should look like. The second method is called the rubber band method. As you see, I grab the rubber band, wrap it around the hair 5 times. If you are doing this on your own head, make sure you are not overdoing it because it causes hair damage. And again, like the first time, I place the extensions on top of the hair and start braiding. The third method is pretty self-explanatory. I start off with a regular braid, and just like the previous method, I attach the extensions. Keep in mind that this was cheap extensions, so you will see me struggling a bit. This is how the braids look so far. With the last method, you will grab a piece of your hair and wrap the extensions around it. Make sure you don't get the extensions in your real hair tangled like I did. After you wrap it around, you will start your braids like normal. And this is how all the methods came out. It shows that no matter how you started, they will all come out the same. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.